again. Welcome to my channel. It is me, Tina. I want to show you something awesome. The Nutstop contacted me if I wanted to try some of their products. And so I checked them out online and I'm like, oh my goodness, yes, I do. So it's called the Nutstop.com, and they sent me this box full of stuff, and I'm telling you, there is tons of stuff in here. And yeah, so I will start going through it and show you what it is. What it is a, what do you call it? A store that has specialty like nuts, candies, all kinds of goodies, dried fruit, you know, all kinds of goodies. So I'm going to show you these. This is what their store is called, the Nutstop.com. And it has a little squirrel on it, like that. And these are milk chocolate raisins. And yeah, so we're gonna do a taste test. I want to see if my husband will do it with me, because Billy, he's very particular. He will eat these raisins, he'll eat. But some things that he does not know, he will not even try. But look at this. And this is a, let me see, a 454 gram bag. It's huge. Then I have these ones. These are for my husband. They are sugar-free chocolate almonds. So they're chocolate covered almonds. This is again a 454 gram bag. I will show you that. It is good until October 22. Yeah, there's the date on there. And again, these are the chocolate covered almonds, and they're the sugar free. And I think I got, did I get, whoa, there go my glasses, right into the garbage. Let me see, these are the roasted cashews. Same size, 454 grams, with the cute little squirrel on there. There's that. And I think I even got chocolate covered cashews. Okay, I'll get to them on. And these are chocolate malt balls. So, and they're huge. There's that. So the way you get you shop is you have to order, and then you have to have it delivered into the States, because they only deliver into the States. They don't deliver into Canada. So I had, my husband's a truck driver, so we have a mailbox in the US, and he went and picked that up for me. Yeah, and it works like that. So, whoops, there goes my light. These are dry plums, pitted prunes, but they call them plums. And again, huge bag. These are dark chocolate covered cherries. I can't wait to do the taste test. And like, these are huge pieces. yeah, stay tuned for the taste test. So those were cherry. These were the dark covered cherries. The dark chocolate covered cherries. These are the milk chocolate cherries. So they're quite a bit darker, these ones, than those. Oh, my mouth is watering. And then these are the dried blueberries. And they're all, every bag so far has been 454 grams. And here is another bag. This is another bag of, not another bag, but it's a sugar-free chocolate cashew. And when it says sugar-free, let me see how many grams of sugar. It says for 11 pieces, 1 gram of sugar. And my husband has diabetes, so that's why I picked those for him. And then this is a huge bag of pistachios. And these are good till November 2022. So they'll be long gone by then. And these I think Billy will like. These are called milk chocolate pokies. I don't know what they call them. But they're like, they look like M&Ms. And then I have my last box here. This is dried fruit mix. And here is, I think this is a freebie, or like a surprise that I got, because it has a little bow on it. And yeah, that's that. It has, let's see what the ingredients are. Apricots, prunes, pears, peaches, apples, raisins, pineapples. Cool. That is cool. Pineapples. Okay. Love it. So, yes. We are like stocked for Christmas goodies. Oh my gosh. Like this. And all of these. Oh my goodness. I can't believe it. Like, I figured it would be like just little bags of, you know, things to sample. But wow, they outdid themselves. Thank you so much, Nutstop. I love it. Thank you, thank you. Stay tuned for the taste test, and I may do some baking with them too. So we'll talk to you soon. Bye.